Here is how to find your draft post on Facebook. So first, you need to go ahead and open the Facebook application on your web browser or the application on your device. Then select what's in your mind in the top of the screen and type your post or add photos to it. Instead of tapping on the post icon, which is highlighted in blue color, go ahead and select this cross icon in the top right corner, and you'll get two different options of delete draft and save as draft. Select save as draft, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll get the notification that your post was saved as a draft. Now, even if you refresh the page or close the Facebook application or the tab in your Google Chrome web browser, and if you still go ahead and select the post icon in the top, you'll be able to see the post that you didn't post, but instead you chose to draft it. And you can start continue editing, tag people, add stickers, add location, GIFs, add more photos, or do anything with the post before you post it publicly with your friends or in your profile. Remember that drafts are only stored for 3 days, and be sure to post or save important drafts before they expire. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.